What's up, you guys? It's Boo from the channel Cobb and Boo, and I am back with another food review for you. This restaurant is called Lumora in Covington, Louisiana. Y'all know I had to come check them out. They recently opened last year, and oh my goodness, I love the aesthetics. It was very aesthetically pleasing. It was clean. It was nice. It was spacious. It met all of the requirements for me. The servers were very nice. Yeah, everything checked off. And this tree is what got me. Y'all know I love me a beautiful tree. Y'all look at this seating, y'all. That burgundy, those floral arrangements, y'all. Everything. And this restaurant is sisters with the District in Ponchatoula. If y'all don't know, that restaurant is nice as well. Check them out. Look at the bar. Everything is just so organized and so nice and neat. And y'all, I ordered me a strawberry mojito, of course, non-alcoholic. But not only is the restaurant nice, y'all, come look at this bathroom. This bathroom is very, very beautiful. It smelled good in there. Look at that. I feel like I'm at a hotel instead of a restaurant. This is very, very nice. And you know I'm going to be playing in these people mirror. That's what I do. I love the mirror. But yeah, y'all, this is so, so nice. I absolutely love it. I will give them a 10 for the aesthetics and the presentation of the restaurant. So fancy, so nice. Give luxury. All right, so let's get into the food. Here's the appetizers, the Zydeco egg rolls and the bacon wrapped shrimp. Baby, when I tell you, it was a 10 out of 10, and they taste the same as the District, 10 out of 10. This is the hot honey chicken salad. I will give it an 8.5 out of 10. I like that the chicken was seasoned really well. This is the smothered catfish, baby, 10s all across the board. Look at that catfish, shrimp, and Gouda grits. The grits was so creamy. The Cajun pasta, oh my gosh, everything was so good. Y'all go try them out.